Now the second one goes as create the boats page by resaving the home page as boats. So let's first do that. Resave this as boats and click save. Okay, and now we have to make the following changes. Page title should be boats. This should be boats, and the text also should change accordingly. As I said, page under construction. We are sorry, but this page is under construction. And now we come over here and we paste that here. Do not forget to center align this to maintain the same format. And going back to our page, save the boats page as boats. Take a screenshot of boats page in your web browser. Save as, well, we already did that. We're supposed to take a Control S. Supposed to open this and take a screenshot of this. Let's zoom out once more. Take a screenshot of this so it's not properly visible. Take a screenshot of this and come to task B4 and paste it, and resave task B4, print task B4. So we come here and we resave it, and then you get to print it from file, printing it from here. Then create links between the home page and the boats page. That is already done. If you check over here, the link should be working. We have the home page, it goes to the home page, it goes to the boats page. We did it at the beginning. Then print the HTML code for both web pages. So very simple. You have the index page, you just come to code, come to the code area, and you say Control P, and you select the printer from over here, and you say OK. It will take about 1 or 2 pages to print this. As you can hear, get print code. Okay, do that. It works. Same applies for both. You click on code and go to file and say print. Then task B4b, you're supposed to do this. It's supposed to be in the header. So right click, new Word document, task B4b. Done. And okay, we go into the header, double click on the header, and we type here task B4b, your name, candidate number, center number. Are we supposed to write task? No, we are supposed to put task B4b there. So we delete that, come to the main page. And then moving on, it goes on to Selvi has decided to change the home page. Make these changes to the HTML code. The font color should be black. So instead of going through the code, it's very simply done like this. You just come to the design and come to page properties and change all the text to black color. Apply. Okay, and the next one was what? Page title should be in italics. Just right click on this and say style italic. That is also done. And then resave index. Resave it, and then paste a screenshot in document task B4b. Paste a screenshot in document. So take a screenshot of the new code. So we go take a screenshot of the new code, come into the code, and we take a new screenshot, and we come and paste it here. And what do they tell us to do? Highlight the screenshot to show where the changes were made. So where does it show that the font was changed to black? You can that area hasn't come in the code. You have to go slightly up. Okay, so here you see it shows that the body text color should all be in black color. Okay, and the title, not the title, the H2, where is H2? We have H2 over here. Where is H2? So the best way to find it is you just have to click on this area and it will show you where it is. You go here, it goes over here, and here it says emphasis. Emphasis means italic it. So let's take a full screenshot of this, and let's also highlight this area. You cannot highlight two things at once. Okay, let's highlight this and take a screenshot. We come to task B4b, we zoom out, we paste it, and then let's insert an arrow from here to here, and let's put a text box, draw a text box, and let's say font is black. Let's make it smaller, and let's copy this and paste it, and let's use this. Let's copy this, paste it, and let's come over here and say changed to italics. Control A, make it smaller. Okay, emphasis also means italics. EM means emphasis, emphasize means italics. Control S. And then answer this question in the document task B4b. Give 2 reasons why organizations use a house style. Very simple. What is a house style? House style is maintaining a background color and font color in all web pages. So you say organizations use house styles to maintain consistency and for brand recognition, which means that as soon as users see this color, they would know it is content from this particular organization. Okay, that's the reason they use house styles, to maintain consistency and for brand recognition. Resave task B4b and then print it. So resave it and then go to print it. Select the printer from here and say print.